Birla Public School, Ganganagar proudly present the Special Assembly of Class 50 on the theme Gift of Giving, a Journey of Compassion. The program begins with lamp lighting and a welcome dance, followed by soulful group song. Our students will share the thought of the day, word of the day, and significance of the day. A touching drama and fun-filled games with parents await you all. Enjoy the energetic final dance and the heartfelt video montage made by our little stars. We all conclude the Principal Sir's words of wisdom.
Precious time, in which way to really share it with your children so that they may be able to really blossom themselves in those ways which you expect, because now the world has been changing very rapidly, and there are times when you realize that something what you invested in your children, it could have been done in another way.
Certificate distribution and the national anthem. Thank you for joining us to celebrate the gift of giving.